Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jammer Lammy. To begin, your main objective is to match the button prompts that appear on screen. You will use the 4 primary action buttons on your controller, pressing them in time with the music. Precision is key. Hitting the notes exactly on the beat will help you progress through each song. Get ready to strum your virtual guitar and join Lammy on her musical adventure. As you play, pay close attention to your cool meter, which indicates your performance. Keeping this meter high requires consistent, accurate button presses. Successfully chaining together multiple correct inputs will build your combo score, leading to a much higher overall rank. The game offers various difficulty levels, from easy to expert, each demanding increasing rhythmic precision and improvisation skills. Challenge yourself to master every stage. Jammer Lammy truly shines when you embrace improvisation. Beyond simply matching prompts, you can experiment with freestyle playing, adding your own creative touches to the music. Try holding buttons for extended periods or tapping them rapidly to produce different sounds and rhythms. Listening intently to the song's melody and beat will help you craft impressive and unique improvisations. Let your musical creativity flow and make each performance your own. To truly excel, don't hesitate to practice any difficult sections of a song until you nail the timing perfectly. Consider inviting a friend to join you in the 2-player cooperative mode, where you can jam together and share the fun. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the game's distinctive visual style and its incredibly catchy, diverse soundtrack. Jammer Lammy offers a truly unique and enjoyable rhythm game experience for everyone to discover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.